We've added a lot of new features to RouterCAD, and one of the main features we've added is the ability to insert title blocks and easily print to any scale you want to print. We've included a lot of pre-formatted title blocks, so I'm just going to choose one of those. I'm going to click OK here, and then this is a preview window, so you can see the title block that you're adding. So once you've added the title block, you can come in and edit the attributes. So you can put in who the drawing is drawn by, who's checked the drawing, make it a really professional quality title block, very professional to present to your customers and to the guys that are manufacturing for you in the shop. Then once you've got that formatted, you can just insert it into the main drawing window. And you can then have as many different tile blocks in the drawing as you want, so you can print 1 page or 50 pages, it doesn't matter. Here I'm just going to take a shape. We made it real easy to draw shapes. I'm going to take just a regular countertop, if you would, just a little bathroom vanity top. I'm going to size it in. It'll automatically redimension itself when you're adding in the numbers of the size you want to be. And I'm going to insert that into the main drawing. And since the title block is already there, I'm just going to put it into the title block. And let's say I want to add a sink to this, or sink cutout to this. I can go to my sink cutout option, choose I want to center a sink on that back wall, on the back of the counter, the back of the top. Choose where I want to reference that from, and just choose a little 16 by 16 sink. Now I'm going to insert that into the drawing. Now, from this point, I can either send it to the machine to be machined, or I can print it as a PDF if I want to print it as a PDF, or print it on paper to give to the guys in the shop. You have a number of ways to deal with the top. So that's just a quick overview of some of the new features we've added into RouterCAD. So if you're in the countertop business, it makes it really easy to create your countertops or any type of drawing you want to create. Thank you.